them I gotta do ya now. NEWLINK on the attack now. Hotter. Bling a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Hotter.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. So you don't know the thing of the attacking boss there, my people, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So right now, my people, I have two videos to share with you all in my people. You understand? One of these videos, my people, is basically a brother with them line at the middle of the road at Jamaica, my people. Young look at you, and just a small clippings of people. But based on the fact where me do see things like them happen before my people, and me can tell her the story behind the person who you have seen on the road, my people, based on the fact, not the same person. I tell her only Jah sees and he knows. So let me just share this little piece of clip, my people.
You then need to start focus right now. You can't make things get over here. You can't make hard life stop you. You have to try it the way I do. This man lay down in a Mily road. See there? Head gone. Father God right now we need up on the earth right now. You know what I'm telling you? Like, they're not focus. They're going to lose it. Big man thing. I'm telling you no lie.
Some of viewers and subscribers, as I can see, a person in the road lie down there. So, Zine, yeah man, lie down in the road, my people, on the middle road. So if a big truck, a big trailer come, my people, boy, you know, the switch card up on its side, my people. You know, the switch card up on its side. You know, because when head chip, when head gone, my people are head set certain way, if it turn certain way, my people, you can't make back that road there. You can't go back through the corner there and you can't come back down the hill there and find the right place where you go, my people, because head gone, head mash up. And only Jah sees and knows and can bring back that. Seeing? Because it do happen to people. A lot of youth been tricked. A lot of youth go mixing the things enough for mixing her. A lot of youth go born with them enough for born and send up in them brain cell and mash up and clad up and mad out everything. Seeing? Jah sees, Jah knows. So this next clip what me I go share to all my people. You get what me I say? And it's about basically a blind brother now. Saying blind. And him expose him wicked and cruel baby mother in Jamaica, my people. Who caused this man for evil? Say, yo, boy, like him, I go get himself in a problem. Because based on some talk, we make my people and say, I do 6 grand, you know, and this and that and that. But me no want to talk too much because the video is there for you all see and for you all hear, my people. So, check out this other clippings, my people, you understand? And then, me drop back in.
This blind man baby mother is robbing him.
Brother, I come go over the school and come get a little boy a 5 days to get the woman at the school gate for a raincoat come and take from them. Tuesday, brother. Hear that? Because the woman at the gate have him lunch money, brother. The same woman I'm take the raincoat for. If they got to work every morning, him lunch money. Because mama did I get it and every 500 she take out 2 fucking $100. Eh? I'm a blind. Right. Eh? My sister them complete in a blood clot night Joe and come and I help me. I mean I help my youth, brother. And the help of my sister them and help my youth. And you forget help with it? Go suck your mama and go fuck out to your big cow pussy. Blood clot. She put me later, dog. Yeah, the little boy said to me, little boy said, Daddy, you can buy me a juice and some bleach. Me tell him some go on in for the bleach back. She, I run a come. Every time you come out, you come like a yard, run me yard. Hey, and I can't know say, hey, if me do my blood class site and I can't run it from you, you know. And I can't know me a mad bumbo clot boy already, you know. Yeah. I mean, I want to make me put in the 7 blood clot level and go build a fish gun and sit down in a Lawrence Lane and bust it to our blood clot, you know. So you see her? What you mean what make us here? Me have a whole per year if you tell me when she a blood clot come from, when she not come. You see what say you? Dan. He's a smart boy in that. Yeah. You hear that? I know, man. I mean, I want to take me for idiot, Dan. You hear that? Yeah. We go get a car bonnet. Because I don't have my son and I have every tool. Yeah. But I can sit down and build me thing. I should have said we go to school too. You hear that? You know, wicked blood clot, girl, Dan. I get it. If you want money, you hear that? Get 5 bills to bring. Yo, you get 5 bills to bring. See how much I get back here, brother, out of the 5 bills. 4 blood clot bills. I tell me say him spend a bill and buy this tram. I can't buy him down for that. I love that. Yeah. Just say you want blade, I come to buy the blade. Yeah. Hear that? See? You see? You see? Yeah. 4 bills. Yeah. You see? Alright. So when a man hear me bumbo class talk, a man must show me a talk about brother. Yeah. No one to pick it like a bumbo class school. I never have no body for myself. I don't have to blood clot and send myself a pussy class code. Me fuck him out of you, me pay for every fuck me fuck you. And me fuck him out of you when the blood clot move out of him way. Where you stifle him for? Eh? When me that fuck you and I pay for your fuck, nobody did that black you. Hey, me no want you ramp with me, no man.
Buy this, you birdie.
Brother, me no want you ramp with me, yo. You hear that? Cause buy me picnic, cause the money them on my blood clot go spend for clean your pussy clot because you fuck from a tender year. Where your blood clot at birth control. Say black up your pussy clot. Hey, me no want you make me disgrace her and tell her some things in you. You hear that? You see she, dog, no matter how man try to deal with her good as a being mother in a dog, she ever try to feel like she can disrespect in a dog.
Yeah.
I'm tell her it's a 6 grand we get rid of she and her bumbo clot family over that, you know. 6 grand in a dog. Oh. Can I tell her, you know, when she asleep, me a bumbo clock walk, you know. Don't ramp with me. Buy a sticker than the man come bum out your bumbo clock over that.
You have to have her in a book, but you have to take your son by you see how me want the boy for that tonight.
When I know the little boy, them take it out from that. And me, hear that? God, she said she hate me.
The little girl that you want to.
Me not tell us her 2 pitney me get to her and she said the little girl and my pitney.
Yeah, you want one.
And the man, where she blood clot comes, a woman and get the pitney too down.
Some viewers and subscribers, and hopefully me want the baby mother to see this. You get me? You have this man I know, blind man basically as well you say. Zine, and the man willing to take care of him youth as a blind man, willing to see youth come to something better. And if you know as a baby mother say you know do the right thing, when the man get the youth money or whatever, you take you another different thing, and you know want to send the youth to go to school and to go learn something and brain cell. You say you, attack for you. And your blindness say yo, what you must say. You understand? So you go for real, metal a straight attack for you. Because education is the key for the younger generation right now. See? And if they're not nothing in the brain cell, at them una send fi come turn trouble to people, fi come rob, fi come steal, and fi come destroy, and then soon them are gonna put them 6'6". See? So if that's the future you want for your local youth right now, then do what you want to do and continue the way I do. See? If the man a give you money, fi take care of youth as a blind man, do the right thing, woman. Do the right thing. Because you see the man now speaking out, lashing out, and basically this man want to play a role. But if you not give him the chance to play that role, what you think is going to happen? What you think you're going to do it? But instead you take from the youth, based on the fact what this man say, it is alleged. Come on, man. Do better. And I want to make you say, I want Blindy hear the video and if you can hear Blindy, look here, man. Don't make nobody make you get in any trouble. See? Don't bother go arm and go bomb no way and go bomb no family. Don't bother pray them the meditation, the blind. Because remember, you know, if you say you love your youth, you know, and you want better for your youth, you know, you have to go there for your youth, you know, and live for your youth. But if you go do something like this, a blind, you don't love your youth, and you don't want better for him, because you go prison blind. You understand? And man, I go get for know if you do with in the blind. So blind, as me can say, do the right thing. Do the right thing. But I pray them the meds say, take that and black that and wash that out of your brain cell blind. You understand? But baby mama, you need to fix up yourself. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So people, you don't know enough love, enough respect, enough blessings, man. You don't know, say the attacking boss there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. Peace out, my people. Enough love, and just stay safe and do the right thing. Big up. I'm out.